Namaste children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about that how to find out the length of tangent. Length of tangent. See now this is a circle with the center O. Now where I can take one external point P. Now from this external point we can able to draw two tangents to this circle. We can able to draw two tangents to this circle. Okay, now this is the point of contact A and this is also a point of contact B. Now here PA, PB are called the length of tangents. So here the length of the tangent I can be denoted with the letter L. So here PA, PB are called what? Length of the tangent. PA equal to PB is equal to length of the tangent L. Length of the tangent L. Yes, these both are equal. Already in the previous part 1 we can discuss about the length of the tangents from an external point are equal. So PA, PB is equal to, I can take as the letter L. What is L? Length of the tangent. Now see, now here I can join O to A. I can join O to A. Now what about this one? This is the radius. This is the radius. Now again here I can join OP. Now here I can join OP. Here P is the point. Here P is the point located at the distance of D units from the center of the circle. P is the point is located at the distance of D units from the center of the circle. Now you know that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. The radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So here it is 90 degrees. So now the triangle OAP, the triangle OAP is a right angle triangle. Is a right angle triangle. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus another side square. So here in this right angle triangle, what is here hypotenuse? Here hypotenuse is opposite to 90 degrees. That is OP. OP is the hypotenuse. So here what is OP? Yes, D square. Therefore D square equal to side 1. Suppose you can take and this is the side 1. Then this is the side 2. So what is the side 1? R square. Side 2 is L. So here we can D square is equal to R square plus L square. So from here I can find out anything. Suppose you know R and L, you can find out D. Or otherwise you can know D and R, you can find out the L. How can you find out the L? Here from this equation I can write that L square is equal to D square minus R square, right? Because of here R square taken to this side, another side D square minus R square. So L square is equal to D square minus R square. Therefore L is equal to root over D square minus R square. This is the formula for the length of tangent. This is the formula for length of tangent. I hope all are understood this one. This is a very important one, Anna. The length of the tangent formula is what? L is equal to root D square minus R square. L is equal to root D square minus R square is called the length of the tangent. I hope all are understood this one. Okay, this is the length of the tangent. By using these concept, we can solve some of the problems. A very 1 mark, 2 mark problems. 1 mark, 2 mark problems. Now see that question number 1. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeters meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the length of PQ. So from the question, here tangent is PQ at P. Tangent is PQ at P. Now circle with the center O. He given that PQ is the tangent. Suppose I can take the tangent as like this. Suppose this is PQ is the tangent. A tangent PQ at point P. At point P of a circle. Suppose now you can take this is the point P. So now this is the point Q. Okay. Here the given that the radius is what? The radius is radius 5 centimeters. And line through the center at a point Q, so that OQ is equal to 12 centimeters. This OQ is equal to 12 centimeters. So find PQ. So what is PQ here? PQ is called the length of the tangent. We know that this is the radius. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So here this is the 90 degrees. So triangle OPQ is a right angle triangle. Triangle OPQ is a right angled triangle. Because of OP is perpendicular to PQ. OP is perpendicular to PQ. That's why. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So this is the hypotenuse. Yes or no? So therefore we know that here we want to find out the L. What is the direct formula of the L? Here he given that L is equal to root d square minus r square. By using that formula, simply you can write L is equal to root over d square minus r square. So the L is equal to root over d square. This is the d. D means here 12. So 12 square 144 minus r. Radius is 5. 5 square 25. So then L is equal to root 144 minus 25. 14 5 9 3 minus 2 1. So here 119 units or centimeters. So here the length of the tangent is how much, Ranna? The length of the tangent is root 119 centimeters. Root 119 centimeters. I hope all are understood this problem. Okay, Anna? Now we are going to discuss about that question number 2. See, this is the question number 2. Calculate the length of the tangent. Calculate the length of the tangent from a point 15 centimeters away from the center, and radius is here 9 centimeters. Simple. So suppose here I can take for example diagram. Suppose here I can take one point, outside point. Here we can able to draw one tangent as like this. Okay, this is called point of the contact. Now this is the center of the circle. We know we can join as like this. You know that this is 90 degrees. Here this is 90 degrees. So this is the radius, this is the L, length of the tangent, this is the D. Okay, now given that here 15 centimeters away from the center means given distance D is equal to 15 centimeters, and given that radius is equal to 9 centimeters. So now you can find out the length of the tangent. You know formula, length of the tangent L is equal to root over d square minus r square. So now we can simplify this one. So L is equal to root over d square 15 square 225 minus r means 9 square 81. Therefore L is equal to root 225 minus 81 is how much, Nanna? So it is simply 144. So then L is equal to root 144 means 12. So 12 centimeters. So the length of the tangent is here how much? 12 centimeters. The length of the tangent is equal to 12 centimeters. Now question number 3. From a point Q, the length of the tangent from the point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeters, and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeters. Now find the radius of the circle. See, suppose here I can take one point Q. From Q, where I can run one tangent as like this, it touches the circle is here. Okay. Now according to the question, from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24. This is the L. He given that L is equal to 24 centimeters. The distance of Q from the center is 25. Suppose here I can take the center. From the center, it is located at the distance of D. The D is given the 25 centimeters. Now find the radius. We know that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent at point of the contact. Okay? Okay, Nana? Suppose here the point of contact I taken as P. Now triangle OPU is a right triangle and a right angled triangle. So from the Pythagoras theorem, we know that OQ square means D square. Yeah, OQ square means D square is equal to R square plus L square. See, Nana, D square is equal to side square plus another side square. Okay, so you know D value is what? 25. So 25 square is equal to, you know, R? No, I don't know. That's why R square plus L I know that is the 24. So therefore 24 square. So 25 square, that is 625, is equal to R square plus 24 square, 576. Therefore from here R square is equal to 625 minus 576. Therefore R square is equal to, now you can subtract this both. 15 minus 6, 9, and here 11, 7, 4. So R square is equal to 49. Then R is equal to root 49. So R is equal to 7. So radius is how much, Nana? Radius is equal to 7 centimeters. So in that question he asked the radius only. That's why here radius is equal to 7 centimeters. Now see that the question number 4. The length of the tangent to a circle from a point 17 centimeters from the center is 8 centimeters. See, Nana, the length of the tangent to a circle is 8 centimeters. Is 8 centimeters. If we are done from a point 17 centimeters from the center. See, suppose circle, this is the external point P. Now we can draw here one tangent. Now this is the center of the circle. He given that the length of the tangent to a circle is 8 centimeters. So this is L. L is equal to 8 centimeters. So here I can take this point of the contact is Q. Now we can join OQ. OQ is what? Radius. You know that radius is perpendicular to tangent. And from a point 17 centimeters from the center. So from the center you can take this point is distance is equal to 17 centimeters. Okay. So here triangle OQP is a right triangle. Is a right triangle. So we know that from the Pythagoras theorem, D square hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus another side square. Now D square means 17 square is equal to, we don't know R square plus L means length means 8 square. So 17 square how much? 289 is equal to R square plus 8 square is 64. Therefore here R square is equal to 289 minus 64. Then R square is equal to, from 9 you can subtract 4, 5, from 8 you can subtract 6. So therefore we can get R square equal to 28y. Then R is equal to root 225. Therefore R is equal to 15 centimeters. So the radius of the circle is how much? 15. In that question he asked that what? Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. So here the radius of the circle is 15 centimeters. Okay, Nana? Next question number 5. This is a very important 4 marks question. Once you listen. Two concentric circles. Yes. What is the meaning of the concentric circles? Concentric circle means, suppose here I can draw one circle. This is the center of the circle. With the same center I can draw another circle. As like, suppose the same center I can draw the another circle. Suppose this is the center, I can draw another circle. Okay, no, these all the circles are called the concentric. Why? Because of all these circles having the same center. Any circles ki okay center undi. All the circles having the same center but different radii. Small radius, this is another radius, this is another radius. The different radii, but the center is same. That circles are called the concentric circles. Okay, so here I can take two concentric circles. There are two concentric circles. As like once you see, this is one circle, and I can take this is the another circle. Two concentric circles. Suppose same center, both are having the same center. Okay, both are having the same center. Okay, see, radii 5 centimeters to 3 centimeters means suppose here one radius, suppose this is the one radius, small radius, this is the 3 centimeters, this is the big circle radius, this is the 5 centimeters. Okay, Nana? Next, find the length of the chord. He asked that the length of the chord. Okay, what is the chord here? To which circle? Small circle or larger circle? He given that the chord of the larger circle. The chord of the larger circle. Now here I can draw a chord of larger circle. See, suppose now here I can draw as like this is the chord of the larger circle. Yes or no? The chord of the larger circle. The chord of the larger circle. Okay. Suppose here which touches the smaller circle. Suppose see, this is the chord of the larger circle, but it not touches the circle. Yes or no? Not touches the circle. Here he is taken that while we can take the chord that compulsory touches the small circle. Yes, that like touches the small circle. See, now see the diagram, Nana. Now once you see this diagram, so this is the larger circle. This is the larger circle and the inside is the smaller circle. So here the center to the larger circle radius is how much? Center to the larger circle radius is 5 centimeters. From the center to small circle radius, this is the small circle. The small circle radius is 3 centimeters. Now here AB is the chord of the circle. AB is chord of the larger circle. AB is the chord of the larger circle. It touches the small circle. It touches the smaller circle at P. At P. P the touch end at P. We know that here at P, this OP is perpendicular to AB. Why? Because of it is the radius, it is the tangent to the small circle. So here it is the 90 degrees. Here it is the 90 degrees. Therefore, here OPB is which triangle? Right angled triangle. See, Nana, triangle OPB is a right angle triangle. Triangle OPB is a right angle triangle. So here we know that this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. This is one side. This is one side. This is the another side. Suppose by Pythagoras theorem, we know that how you can write hypotenuse OB. OB square is equal to OP square plus PB square. From the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. We know OB. OB is how much? 5. So 5 square. 5 square is equal to OP. We know that 3. 3 square plus PB square. Now you can simplify this one. 25 is equal to 9 plus PB square. Here PB square is equal to 25 minus 9, that equal to 16. Then we can get PB is equal to root 16, that equal to 4. Therefore we can get PB is equal to 4 centimeters. Yes, PB is equal to 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. But he asked that length of the chord. He asked that length of the chord. Once you observe in this figure, Nana. Once you observe in this figure. Now, this is O is what, Nana? O is what? Center of the circle. Yeah, here AB is what? AB? AB is the chord of the larger circle. From center, you can draw a line on the chord. You draw a line on the chord with perpendicularly. We can draw a line from the center. We can draw a line perpendicularly on any chord. Then this line OP divides the chord equally. Divides the chord equally means here PB is equal to PA. PB is equal to PA. How can you write here, Nana? Means perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. What is that perpendicular line? OP, perpendicular line from center of the circle. From center of the circle is bisects the chord. Bisects the chord. So a chord అయినా సరే, you can take here AB is the chord, but you can take any chord. Okay, this perpendicular line always bisects that one. Means here what, Nana? PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB. You know already PB is here how much? 4 centimeters. So that is equal to 4 centimeters. Here we want to find out length of the chord. Length of chord. Length of chord is what, Nana? AB. So here it can be written as AB as PA plus PB. You know PA, PB both are equal. PA is 4, PB is also 4. That is equal to 4 plus 4. That equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the chord. The length of the chord is how much, Nana? That is 8 centimeter. The length of the chord is equal to 8 centimeters. He asked in that question length of the chord only. I hope all are understood this one. Once you see that question number 6. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of the radius 3 centimeters. Of the radius 3 centimeters, such that the segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of the contact D are the length 9 centimeters and 3 centimeters respectively. See below figure. Figure మనకి అక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేసాడు నన్న. See below figure. So find the sides AB, AC. Find the sides AB, AC. Why? Because of BC. See, once you see the diagram, all of you, Nana. Here BC is how much, Nana? Here BC divided into two parts. That is what? This is BD and DC. So BD plus DC, how much? 9 plus 3, that is equal to 12 centimeters. So BC is equal to 12 centimeters. That's why no need to find out the BC. BC is equal to 12 centimeters. Now that's why I asked that we don't know AB. We don't know the AB and AC. Find out AB and AC. See, Nana. Already suppose here this is the circle. This is the circle. A is an external point. Suppose you can take a circle. Suppose you can take any point A. Suppose what about this one? This is the From an external point we can able to draw two tangents. Yes or no? Now these both are equal. These both are equal. Why? Because of the length of the tangents from an external point are equal. By using that concept, suppose here I can take this point of contact denoted with E. Now this point of contact I can be denoted with F. Now here A is the an external point. Therefore, here this is the length of the tangent. These both are the same. See, these both are same. So from the B is also an external point. Now here also these two length of the tangents are equal. I can be denoted with that three lines. These three are the equal. These two length of the tangents are equal. Now here C is also an external point. C is also an external point. Therefore, these CD and CE, these both are also equal. Because of that are also length of the tangents. So here we know that length of tangents from an external point to any circle are equal. Any circular equal. So therefore AE is equal to AF. This is done. AE is equal to AF. Now from BF is equal to BD. BF is equal to BD. And also from the CD is equal to CE. CD is equal to CE. But you know that here CD is equal to 3 centimeters. That's why CD is equal to CE is equal to, both are equal 3 centimeters. Here BD is equal to 9 centimeters. That's why BD is equal to BF. These both are 9 centimeters. But here we don't know these two. AE, AF we don't know. That's why here I can take one letter, that is X. Here I can take the letter X. Therefore X centimeters. Say. I hope all understood this step. Okay, Nana? Right. Now, once you see, join OE. Join OE. See? Join OE. Now, here OD perpendicular to tangent BC. Tangent BC, yes or no? OD is perpendicular to tangent BC. Yes, it is the perpendicular. And also OE is perpendicular to tangent AC. Yes or no? See, here AC is the tangent. So OE perpendicular to tangent. So here also it is what, Nana? 90 degrees. Okay, Nana? Now here OD is radius, OC is also radius of the circle. But in the question he given that the radius is 3 centimeters. All of you see, Nana? Yes, this one only. Radius is 3 centimeters. Therefore, here this is 3 centimeters. This is also 3 centimeters. In this is ODCE. This is the quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, this is 90 degrees. The two angles are 90 degrees. Two angles are 90 degrees. And two adjacent sides are the equal. Then this figure is called square. This figure is called square. Therefore, ODCE is a square. Is a square. If in a square each angle 90, each angle is 90 degrees. So therefore here how much angle C, Nana? Now tell me, angle C is how much? 90 degrees. So angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Now in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degrees. Therefore ABC which triangle? Right angle triangle. Therefore Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. In this right angle triangle, what is hypotenuse? So, opposite to 90 degrees, and means here AB. AB is the hypotenuse. Therefore, AB square is equal to remaining sides AC square plus BC square. Now, from the figure, AB, what is AB? See, AB. You know that BF, this is 9 centimeter, this is also 9 centimeters. Okay, na? But AF is X. The total AB is what? Na? The total AB is X plus 9. The total AB is X plus 9. Therefore, you can write X plus 9 whole square is equal to AC. AC, suppose here this is 3 centimeters. So this is also 3 centimeters. C. Therefore, this is what an AC. X plus 3 whole square plus BC. BC is equal to 12 centimeters. 12 square. Now you can simplify this one. Yes. See Nana. X plus 9 whole square. A plus B whole square formula. X square plus 2 9s are 18x plus 9 square 81 is equal to x square plus 3 into x into 2, that is 6x plus 3 square 9 plus 144. Now both sides same terms are the cancelled. Both sides same terms are the cancelled. Now you can write x terms are this side. Okay, so 18x minus 6x is equal to 81 taken to that side. So 9 plus 144 minus 81. Simplify this one. 18 minus 6, 12x is equal to 144 plus 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 5, 153 minus 81. Therefore, 12x is equal to, now here 153 minus 81 is 72. Therefore, x is equal to 72 by 12, that is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Now, in the question, he asked to find AB and AC. Therefore, AB is equal to, we know that, see here only, AB, what we write AB is equal to x plus 9. And alago AC is equal to x plus 3. AC is equal to x plus 3. So here that is equal to x is equal to 6. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15 centimeters. Here 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9 centimeters. Okay na? I hope all are understood this one. Now question number 17. This is also a very important question. This is also comes under that 4 marks or otherwise 2 marks. Once you read the question, Nana. If a circle touches all the 4 sides of the quadrilateral ABCD, means suppose I can take one quadrilateral as like this. Suppose this is the quadrilateral. Now you can draw a circle. Compulsory that the circle touches all the 4 sides of the quadrilateral as like this. Okay, Nana. So once you see, now here you can draw as like this. The diagram is as like, see here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is what, Nana? Quadrilateral. See, Nana, given A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. This is the shortcut quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Now circle touches the quadrilateral. Circle touches the sides of quadrilateral. Sides of quadrilateral at P, Q, R, S. Okay, Nana? See, P, Q, R, S. Okay, right. Now once you see in the previous question also we can discuss about this one. Here A is an external point. A is an external point. From external point, okay, the length of the tangents are equal. the length of the tangents are equal to any circle, yes or no? So the lengths of tangents, the lengths of tangents to any circle, to any circle from an external point are equal. The external point are equal. Once you observe that external point, nana, see, suppose I can take A is an external point. From A, this is one tangent and this is one tangent. These both are equal, nana. AP is equal to AS. See, I can write AB is equal to AS. Okay, now here I can take B point. So from the B, BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. Here I can write BP is equal to BQ. Okay, now you can take C, point C. Okay, CR is equal to CQ. You can write CR is equal to CQ. Now from D you can write, from the D, that is DR is equal to DS. DR is equal to DS. Okay, Nana? Now you can add all these four. Now you can add all these four. What we get? AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. CQ plus DS. From the figure you can observe it, Nana. AP plus BP. What is AP plus BP? See Nana. AP plus BP is nothing but AB. Therefore, AB plus, now CR plus DR. From the figure you can see, Nana. CR plus DR is equal to CD. Therefore, CD is equal to, once you see here, AS plus DS. Now you can add these both. You can add these both. AS plus DS. See, this is AS, this is AS, and this is DS. AS plus DS is equal to AD. Therefore, AD plus, now you can add the remaining two, BQ plus CQ. See, BQ plus CQ is equal to BC. Is equal to BC. So therefore, what we get now? AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Okay, na? So that is only the proof. In the question he asked that AB plus CD is equal to BC plus DA. Okay, na? So that is the proof of this one. I hope all are understood this one. Now, once you see that question number 8, prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. The parallelogram circumscribing a circle. What is the meaning of this one? And means, suppose here, see here, this is, once you see this diagram, yes, see this diagram here, A B C D, this is the parallelogram. A B C D is the parallelogram. Okay, na? A B C D is the parallelogram. ABCD is parallelogram. This is the parallelogram shortcut. ABCD is the parallelogram. We know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Yes or no? Means AB is equal to CD. Similarly, BC is equal to AD. This is the given information. This is the given information. Okay, circumscribing a circle. See, this is the meaning of the circumscribing the circle. Means the circle touches the four sides of the parallelogram. See, circle touches the four sides of a parallelogram at P, Q, R, S. Okay, according to the before problem, A is an external point, AP is equal to AS, B is an external point, BP is equal to BQ, C is an external point, CQ is equal to CR. Okay, D is an external point, this DR is equal to DS. Okay na. So what is that point na? Length of the tangents, length of tangents are equal from an external point to a circle. Okay na. So by using this concept, by using this condition, so you know AP is equal to AS. Already we discussed in the previous question nana. AP is equal to AS. Sorry, AP is equal to, yes, right, AP is equal to AS, AP is equal to AS. Next B, BP is equal to BQ, BP is equal to BQ. Now the next one, C, CR is equal to CQ, CR is equal to CQ. Now the next one, from the D, DR is equal to DS, DR is equal to DS. Now we can add all these four. Add what we get? AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Okay, already in the previous question we have discussed about this one. What we get nana? According to this one, AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So here also we can get that one only. What nana? AB plus, see these both add, AB plus CD is equal to, you can add AS to DS, AD plus BQ plus CQ BC. Okay na. So this is according to, for before question we can get this one, but here in this question he given that ABCD is the parallelogram, AB is nothing but CD, BC is nothing but AD. Now you can substitute these two values there. AB is the CD, AB is what? CD, and also BC is equal to AD, and also BC is equal to AD. Okay na. So plus CD is equal to AD plus AD. What we get na? 2CD is equal to 2AD. 2 gets cancelled. Now here CD is equal to AD. Once you see this diagram, this is CD, this is CD, and this is AD. These both are the adjacent sides. These both are the adjacent sides. In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal. That figure is called the rhombus. That's where you can write, in a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal. In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. And therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, Nana, I hope all are understood. Now the concept 2 is completed. From this concept 2 we can get 2 more questions, 4 more questions as like this. Okay, Nana, right? Thank you, Nana.